Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackYour.com. Today we're going to break down the Racer Pitlane 3/4 short riding gloves. Okay, the Racer Pitlane Gloves retail for $109.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos or pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing first. This glove runs one full size smaller than marked. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. In this one, I absolutely have to have a 3. Once I've got them on, they fit and feel great. These wear super light and airy while preserving a good measure of protection. It's a blend of leather and mesh. The mesh is going to be high airflow, high comfort. The leather in the palm area, right, and especially over here in the impact zone, is going to help keep you secure with a solid measure of abrasion and impact resistance. Large mesh panel back here on the back of the hand, TPR Racer logo, reflective piping, neoprene cuff, knuckle protector. It's flexible, it's padded behind it. Knuckle protectors that also serve as vents. We have some motion panels here. There is a spandex style fabric in between each one of the fingers that's also going to flow air freely. So when you have your hands out on the bars, with these gloves on, it's going to drive air in there. It's going to work just like having an air conditioner on your hands. The mesh panel on the back of the hand carries all the way over into the thumb. The thumb is tipped in leather. Full leather palm. In the high wear areas, there's an additional layer there. Up here in the thumb as well. Impact and abrasion resistance in this area is provided with an additional layer of leather. Some energy absorbing foam on the back side of it. A little TPR detail there for a little additional protection in that area. Entry and exit is managed with Velcro into that neoprene, a little bit of leather there. Little Racer logo there. End of the day, this is a very affordable, highly ventilated, super comfortable, short riding glove that's going to work well for any riding style where you look at this glove and you see the features and benefits that you need with the famous Racer fit and quality. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gloves for your next ride.